After reading at 92% on room air, so her heart rate was at 92 kind of.
During emergencies, first responders, disaster recovery personnel, and government officials rely on the Wireless Priority Service, WPS, to ensure their calls get priority. This video will show you how easy it is to make a WPS call.
Headquarters, we're trying to get through to you. Okay.
WPS is an easy-to-use add-on feature for wireless phones. To make a WPS call, there are two things that need to happen. First, you need to use a cell phone that is subscribed to the service. Second, you need to have a cellular network connection for the call to go through. Once you confirm these two items, the calling process is simple. To make a WPS call, just dial *272, followed by the number you want to call, then hit the send button. Do not dial a 1 before the area code. It may take 30 seconds or longer for your call to go through, especially during times of network congestion. During that time, you may hear ringtones or silence, and this is completely normal. Most cell phones will display the *272 and destination number on your screen, while some may show call status messages such as "your call is queued" until your call is connected. And that's it. If for some reason your call does not connect, just hang up and call again using this same process. You can make WPS calls to other cell phones, landlines, and satellite phones. However, WPS cannot be used to make 911 calls. The Office of Emergency Communications has also developed a dialer app for cell phones that makes WPS calling even easier by accessing your phone's contact list. For more information on WPS, the dialer app, or to sign up for the service, please visit www.dhs.gov/WPS or call 866-627-2255.
Don't find yourself caught off guard during an emergency. Be sure to practice using WPS during training and exercise events so that your WPS subscribers know how to use the service when the time comes.